There are two components where vMeasure can truly help 3PLs. The first is in the negotiation part, and the second part is adherence to the actual negotiated rates, right? For example, the first thing and the most important thing when you're doing a negotiation is building out a shipper profile. So let's say you have a dimensioner at the packing station, you're able to capture the data, let's say for the first 6 months, and you build out a shipping profile. So you know exactly, okay, so these are the items we are shipping. So this is the set of items we could actually, so this is the rates we could negotiate for. Now, and the second and the more important thing is adherence to these negotiated rates. Because negotiation, you have all the senior leadership coming in, shipping charges are very costly, so on and so forth. But what exactly are we, what's the point of negotiating if at the end of the day, at the point of decision making, a bigger box is chosen, right? So that's where the box algorithm might come into play. So you do this regression testing, you identify, hey, we could have identified smaller boxes, and your box algorithm can actually tell you, instead of this one large box, you can, based on your negotiated contract, your algorithm can actually tell you, hey, go in two small boxes instead of one large box. And for parcel validation, you can actually set it right over here. Specific to vMeasure, one of the things which we have seen is it's not a data capture device. It's also much, much more. And our ability to work on computer vision means that we're able to take it to the next level. So it's not just about dimensioning. We also capture a photograph, right? So at the point of receiving, the photograph can be used as a proof of whether the item is broken, is there any leakage, is there any damages? And since it's computer vision in the future, obviously we'll automate those components as well. And thirdly, with vMeasure, customizable workflows. This entire workflow I was talking to you about, right? An item comes in, you scan the inbound receipt, you do a unit level dimension, case level dimension, and push everything across. A dimensioner is a fairly big sized machine which you place over a weighing scale. You can't have a desktop next to it. What if everything could be done within the dimensioning machine? So the customizable workflows and API integrations, especially, and making sure everything is done in a no code format. Because truth be said, the operations teams wants everything yesterday. The IT team could deliver everything 3 months from now. There is always a timeline lag between what the ops team needs and when the IT team could provide it. So how do you bridge that gap? And that's where vMeasure adds value. Capture dimensions quickly and integrate into your systems fast and get it up and running as quickly as possible.